Hello everyone, this is Imran here, and today in this video training I'm gonna show you how you can create a table of content on your WordPress website. If you have a long blog post or a page, you can easily create a table of content like this. The user will be able to collapse it and they can easily switch to any topic anytime. That will just help them to read out your long blog post. Using this kind of plugin, you can improve the bounce rate of your blog post in the Google Analytics because the user will find it easy to get their expected content. Well, here you can see you can collapse it, you can easily shift or move to any content they like. Well, I'm gonna install a plugin in my development site and I'm gonna show you everything, every steps. You will find it easy to create a table of content like this. Here I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website. I believe you know how to access the dashboard. Just sign into your WordPress account, and if you see here on the left side, here you can see several menus, and this one is plugins. As I'm gonna install a plugin, I'm gonna hover over here, and here you can see add new. Just click add new. And here you will be able to search for any plugins. I'm gonna search for easy table of content. Well, this is the plugin that I will install in my site. Okay, and before I install, here you can see I don't have any table of content that I had in my demo site. Okay, so I'm gonna click install now. Click activate. Okay, you have successfully installed and activated the plugin, but I'm sorry, it won't display the table of content right now. What I'll have to do, I'll have to configure the setting options it has. So I'm gonna navigate to this plugin. Here you can see easy table of content, and no, it's available only in the plugins list. I'm gonna just here it is, easy table of contents. Just here you can see settings. Just click on it, and here you will see the options that you will configure to display a table of content. And the first section is enable support, and the another one is auto insert. Auto inserts mean firstly, enable support. You will have several types of content, pages, blog posts, and I have installed WooCommerce, so I have product type, and you can have any kind of content or any kind of post. So you will have to manually enable the support for that kind of post. Say for example, it's post. So here you can see it's a post. So I'm gonna enable this type of this plugin for posts, and here you can see I can also enable it for products. I can enable it for, okay, I'm not going to make it complex, just I'm gonna keep this video very simple. So at the moment I'll enable it for posts and pages. Okay, so what I will see when I'm gonna create, okay, I'm going to scroll down and hit save changes. Now I will see an additional option if I want to create a page. Here you can see table of content right here. If I uncheck here and save here, and most probably you won't see here. Here it is. We have lost it. So first of all, what we'll have to do, we'll have to enable support for any type of content that we want to display table of contents like this. Okay, So blog posts are must. And here you can see auto insert. I have enabled this functionality for blog posts, but it doesn't show up here automatically. You see, it doesn't show up here. So what I will have to do, I will have to manually enable it. Here you can see insert table of content. If I check it and hit update and view it, now here you can see table of contents. So it's a very painful job. You will have to create, you will have to every time check this, and you will have to edit all of your blog posts to enable this functionality if you already have a good number of blog posts. So what you will have to do, just to get yourself out of this trouble, you will have to come here on the second section, auto insert. Just check this box for posts, and now if you hit save changes button, you will see this types of functionality in every blog post, because I have automated it. Now it will auto insert. Okay, so I'm gonna check another blog post. Just I'm going to show you. Here you can see 10 real estate WordPress themes. Here it is. I didn't edit this blog post and I didn't manually enable it. What I did, I just checked this box to make it automatic. Okay, so friends, I hope you could understand. First of all, you will enable it, then you will just enable the auto insert. If you want that, say for example, if you don't want to display auto table of content for your all blog post, then you will have to just uncheck it. Then you will have to manually create table of content for all of your blog post or pages. I think you could understand. And now scroll down. Here you can see position. Where would you like to display this type of things? Before the first heading, it's default. You can, after first heading, top, bottom, just top. And I'm gonna hit save changes and I'm gonna reload it. And now here you can see on top. Well, pretty simple. So here you can see show when. When would you like to show it? 4 or more headings are present. Here you can see I have 20 theme name or 20 item in this blog post. So one heading, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if you think that if my blog post only have 3 headings, so that will be a very short blog post. So I don't need table of content for that. Okay, you can control that if I have only more than 4 headings in my blog post, then you show or display the table of content. Just you can control it from here. If you want that if I have more than 10 or 10 headings, then it will display. Okay, but I think if it is more than 4 headings, then you should display. Okay, and display header level. You can show header level. Here you can see that's header level where it is. Here it is header level, table of contents, and you can change it. I can make it just a list of all themes. List of all themes. So just hit save changes, and here you can see table of content, but I'm gonna reload it. Now you can see list of all themes. So pretty easy, pretty simple. You can customize the way you like. And toggle view. Toggle view means here it is, fine. Wow. So you can enable this functionality or you can disable it. Pretty simple. And initial view. And initially hide the table of contents. I mean, when a visitor comes to this page or this blog post, they will find it like this. Just what it says. It says initially hide the table of content. Okay, if you check this, then when a visitor comes to this page, it will be like that. But I don't think so. Okay, I want to display the table of content because some user may not understand what it is. They will just ignore it. So that's a fact. Well, show as hierarchy. Okay, counter. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21. What you can do, you can just change it to numeric. By default, it is numeric, Roman, and none. Okay, none means it won't show anything. It will show nothing. And smooth scroll. Smooth scroll means if I click on Astra, and you can see it moves very smoothly. Once again, just try to understand. I'm gonna click on plot something and it moves to the plot some theme very smoothly. So it is smooth scrolling is checked. And appearance. Appearance, here you can see appearance is just like this. You can customize the appearance. You can manage the width to 100%. Then it will take the 100% area, or you can make it 75% or 50%. And custom width, you can manually set the width. And floating type, you can just float it right or left or right. Float it right. Just save changes. Just reload. And here you can see it's floating. Just here. Okay, so friends, this is a good feature. It will be here. And table of content, floating, right, and title font size, you can increase it or decrease it. Just self-explanatory. And you can see several themes. The theme we have at now is gray, but you can check the light blue. And I'm going to just cancel it. Okay. And just you can customize the theme or custom color. And advanced mode. Already I have come to the end. Here you can see the theme has been changed. And you have a lot of freedom. You can change or customize the appearance from here. And let's move to the advanced. You can ensure the anchors are in lowercase. Yes, it is. Hypernet. I don't think it's necessary. And home page, you can show the table of content on the home page. I don't need it. Just here you can see headings. You can which heading type you are using. According here, I have selected most probably H2. Just inspect it. It's H2. So we are gonna keep only H2. Well, and exclude heading. if you want to exclude anything, here you can see I have this final words, but I don't need to show it. Just what you will have to do, just copy it and come here, just paste it and write and type an asterisk sign. Okay, so it will be excluded. Let's see what happens. Just hit save changes and reload it. So here you can see that has been excluded. Pretty cool. In the same way, here you will find limit path, anchor prefix, and any extra classes. That are very easy settings. Just hit save changes. And before I finish, I would like to show something else. You can display this table of content in the sidebar also using the widget it has. So let's see the widgets. Here you can see under appearance, widgets. You will find table of contents. Just drag that table of content and move here. So I'm gonna do that. Just drag and drop here. Okay, and I'm going to write it table of content. Hit save. Now if I just reload this, actually in this theme I don't have any sidebar, so I couldn't show you. I feel sorry for that. But on the demo side, here you can see on the sidebar it shows the table of content. Okay friends, I think I could show you how you can easily install this plugin, Easy Table of Contents. I'll give the link of this plugin in the video description, and I think it's all about this plugin. I believe you will find this video training very helpful, and you don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.